Are you getting the Newtonsoft JSON module DLL error after the .NET JSON Framework update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphan library and fix your app. To kick off the Newtonsoft JSON module walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Newtonsoft JSON module, often found in localized Unity Engine game repacks or custom loaders. If you see this error, you should verify the Manage folder of the game, as this file acts as the primary data handler for game-save serialization. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The Newtonsoft JSON module DLL library is a specialized component of the .NET JSON Framework system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Newtonsoft JSON module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Newtonsoft JSON module DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to Newtonsoft JSON module. If you've regained access to Newtonsoft JSON module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.